Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous vlog and let's quickly move on to the question. So let's start by understanding the data set here. In this case, there are three fields: name, city, and salary in $1,000. Using the first two fields, that is name and city, in this case Anurag and A, will look up the salary field, that is $997,000 in this case. So let's start by formulating it. So we write index, post that, we select the overall array, which is in this case from Anurag till $725,000, which is from T4 to V15. Then we have to use the match function because here we have to look up using a combination of two fields, that is name and the city. So we write match and we use the lookup value as 1, which is for every true value. Then we select the name field, which is from Anurag to Rohit in this case, T4 to T15 to be exact. We equate it to the name, which is Anurag in this case. Similarly, we repeat the same exercise with the city field and equate it to A. Since the multiplication, if it is true, it will be 1 into 1, which is equal to the lookup value. Hence, we get the right value in this case. Now we do a 0 for an exact match and 3 for the column number, which is the salary field, and do a control shift function for an array function, which we will discuss later. After which we drag the formula and we populate the salary against each of those cells. Now you can see you have a different salary populated against Anurag A, that is $997,000, and Anurag G, that is $462,000. Had we been doing the same using a VLOOKUP, then we would have to use concatenate in addition to use the VLOOKUP, which gets eliminated using the match index function, and hence I will prefer using a match index over VLOOKUP. Thanks for watching my vlog and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.